This story is just kind of for funsies. I've got bird feeders, and me and Cool Cat love watching the birds. So as spring happened and into the summer, there was lots of cute little baby birds. I'm going to show you those, and hopefully you just enjoy watching it. And don't say anything about how dirty my windows are. I know they're dirty, but that was because it was just coming out of the winter and I hadn't cleaned them yet. So keep your comments in your pocket. All right, let me take you to that beautiful bird footage. One of the first birds I'm going to show you is the grosbeak. Now he looks like he has a big exclamation point on his chest, a big red exclamation. And his baby will come and shake its tail feathers and its wings. I think I dated a few girls that do this. They shake their tail feather when they want something. But check him out. He's fluttering his wings, and if you've never seen a grosbeak, they're really cool birds. I enjoy watching them. I like their beaks. They're pretty cool, but there you go. And the females look kind of like that adolescent there. They're brown like that, but the males are very striking. So the next birds are one of my absolute favorite, and of course one of the most striking birds. This is the goldfinch. An American goldfinch is he gets really gold. They're not gold all the time. The males get strikingly yellow and gold like this. And they are true vegetarians. They will only eat seeds. Their favorite seed is thistle, which I got some thistle mixed into this mix here, I think. And they show up usually as a big family or pack, and they stay in a large herd, and they don't even eat insects. They only survive on seeds. So sometimes they stick around, depending where you're at. Where most of the time where I've lived, the goldfinches are only there for a week or two and they move on. It's a shame because I just love them, and they have an amazing little flight pattern too. They're very distinctive when you see them, and they just make me happy. I love their little furball babies, the little fuzzies. But check them out. They're very cute. I think these guys are baby robins, but what's weird is they all sit in the yard and cock their head the same direction. I don't know if they're looking at the sun or looking at their mom, but they all have this twisted head thing going on. That's pretty weird. Anyway, the next bird is, I think it's a baby catbird practicing making calls. The next clip is Battle of the Woodpeckers. The downy eats off this thing all the time, the suet, and this hairy woodpecker, the larger one, came into his territory. So this little downy is beating up on this big hairy.
Oh, wow. Oh.
Whoa.
Whoa.
It's getting serious, man.
Whoa. So the downy is attacking the hairy woodpecker, and there's a blue jay in the mix too, but blue jay's just eating. Oh my. It's the last bit of suet, so they're... Wow.
I'll have to put some suet out. This is ridiculous.
Yeah, we need some suet. But geez.
I'm down to one. I went through 4 of them this week. It's the last one.
It's still dive bombing it. Wow, look at that. That little downy woodpecker just drove off the hairy woodpecker twice its size.
He's gonna get so big.
This is like animal bloopers now. Okay, and now it came back.
Oh, now the European Starlings trying.
Oh, now it's a starling. Oh
Starling
boy.
seems to scare everybody off.
Okay. Wow. That was impressive.
Alright, I think the show. Last thing I'm going to share with you are the baby European Starlings. They came for about 2 to 3 weeks, and they were so noisy. It would go on for hours. Starlings, believe it or not, all started in the U.S. out of just 100 birds that they brought over in the 1800s for some Shakespeare play in the park. They let them all go, and now they're everywhere. But enjoy the sounds that I used to listen to every morning and day. As always, you can check out Cool Cat and me at any of these other platforms. Also at my website, lupotv.com. Just sign up over there and you'll actually get notified. I know. You'll actually know when I go live or I put up a new story, because YouTube's not so good at telling us. The other thing I want to tell you is that I really appreciate you guys shopping at Amazon. That has kept this channel afloat since the adpocalypse. And YouTube's not really paying us much anymore. So if you're going to shop on Amazon, go through the link below first, and I will get a little cut of that. I appreciate that. Keeps the show afloat. Doesn't cost you anything extra. All right, the last thing I want to say is you can check me out on any of my other stories here and here, and just keep watching my channel. As always, we appreciate you a lot, and be nice to that cat.